Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I'm going to cross my fingers and say a little prayer that this time I don't have my recording end, because I just made a whole movie that I couldn't do anything with. So I'm going to do some different stuff that should be easy enough for everybody to do, and we'll see if I'm right about that. I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning spatula and just spread a layer of paint along my edge. I'm not going to worry about the edge yet being completely covered, but I would like it to be somewhat solid color coverage. Don't mind the footsteps of my dog. Somebody's let the dogs out. Kind of want to pull that up to the center and push that whole thing down toward my edge of my canvas, because that's going to be the only way it gets covered. I feel a little clumsy. Okay, well, that's okay. I'm going to knock all that black paint right off. I'm going to use the wet rag that I had handy. It seems to have disappeared, and so I'll use a different wet rag. So they made bunches. They're handy to have. So, this is going to be completely weird. This is going to be either swiped or basting brushed or chained or all of the above. And I'm wondering if I can just tilt that white down and let it run a little bit before I schmutz it. Yeah, I have a little tiny bit of black paint on my spatula, but this is a background color, so. I'm recording. It's okay. The pool pump just came on and the dogs are fascinated. I see that over there. Alright, I do want enough white paint in the center. You know what, dog? I'm inviting you to go away. Thank you. Yeah, I don't want him under my feet. And I'm wondering if I'm going to get this even or not. And it's taking too long. I'm still going to wipe that off some more. No, he won't. He just wants to be right under my feet. Let me push that right down in. I have no idea. I haven't tried anything exactly like this for a long time. And it was such a long time ago, I can't hardly remember. But I know I want to add colors to the center and then pull them out. And I just watched somebody doing this somewhat recently, but I'm thinking that I want gold in there too. I want every color in there, you know I do. And I'm hoping that they will not become mucky. That is too similar, isn't it? Yes, it is. Sort of. Looks like the other one is a color shift. So I love my turquoise, and I kind of want some of that. It's part of the fact that that was not part of the plan. I wanted to cover some of this with some white, and I think the only way that I might want to try and do that is with what? The dustpan? Maybe? Maybe I should not worry about that right now and just continue on. Where's my blue? I want the blue. I want the gold is what I want. And there it is. I really kind of want some red also. I wonder what this is going to look like. This is another real experiment. Whoops, that was not shaken. It's so pretty when it's not shaken. And that's that color shift turquoise I was looking for. I really think that blue makes everything pop. I think I might have to have a little bit more of that. I want something, oh yes, the magenta pink. I just want to tip it down and see what happens. So let's do that. I don't know if you can see all that or not. Got some paint on me. Now it's time to decide what I want to do and how I want to do it. Looks like there's a lot more paint on one end than there is in the middle. So I should decide what color that's going to be. Whoops. See? I did it again. Whoops. Oh, yeah. Wow. So, what else am I going to put in there now? I think, since that just went splooey, that I'm going to give myself some of this neon purple from Folk Art. And I'm still going to try to add a little paint. That's kind of neat in itself. I discovered something new. Cool. I could just leave that alone. Just dribble it. Dribbly ribbons. I don't like the fact that there's all kinds of canvas showing on that edge. But I think if I want to cover it, I should just go ahead and give myself permission to get busy adding paint before I go back the other way. It looks kind of Halloween-y. It's not Halloween for me yet, but it's bound to be November before this gets to do anything. I'm kind of really enjoying that. I think I'm going to grab my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. I've got a straw, and I kind of like to do the blowing thing, but I'm not sure how that's going to work. And I really did intend on starting this with a swiping. You know what? This is a really good color. That is an Art Minds color. We still don't know what could happen to this. I'm kind of missing some yellow. Maybe some of that orange. I always have this residual affection for Halloween colors long after Halloween is gone. I'm just having too much fun playing with paint. We don't know what's going to happen yet. I'm just going to go back to tilting. I might swipe all over the place. Not sure what I'm going to do with that over there, but I'm going to bring it over here and have a look at it. Yeah, the black just swallowed the magenta anyway, so I guess I didn't really have as much to worry about as I thought I did. Alright, so now let's find out what we can do. I am going to put my chain in. And I suspect I'm going to have to tip again because there's an awful lot of paint there, but it's still kind of cool. So I didn't swipe with an acetate card. And I'm not done yet, but it's pretty cool. And I may have to try and tilt just so I know what happens when I do that. So far, I'm impressed by keeping my colors. They're pretty neat. I'm having too much fun again. I'm telling you what. Whoop, almost lost my neckerchief right into the painting. I'm glad that didn't happen. So I kind of feel like if I go back and bring the chain back around, I can use that color that I'm dragging. I just made up a new playlist called chain pulls, strangely enough. I want that to come this way. I don't want to take away all of the cool solid paint areas, but I'm having officially way too much fun now. I do use GAC 800, fortunately, from Golden, which means that even though this paint is impossibly thick in places, that the chances are very good that I won't have to worry about it becoming a problem. I'm just going to let my chain relax down here and see what happens with all that residual in the black. That is pretty cool, I gotta say. I'm pretty happy. And as soon as you see you've got something you like, you can undo it. And as long as you've got wet paint to put it into, you're going to leave a mark like that. I like this orange, but I think I want to steal some of it. If it's not working one way, go the other way. So neat. I am actually composing with chain. This is well worth practicing, I gotta say. I'm pretty happy about that. I don't want those two marks to be identical next to each other. Not that they were really identical, but they were too close for me to be happy. I'm going a little further past my comfort zone than I should probably go. But I'd like some forms to repeat. I haven't stopped. I think I might have passed the point where it was really something super extraordinary, but I don't give up easily either. And I'm loving the constant experimenting with the chain, I gotta say. Because I love seeing what kind of shapes I can make as I better learn how to utilize it and practice. And from up high, I saw that thing that does not belong in there, and it distracted me right into that. Alright, so I am so close to ruining this, and I'm really feeling like I have to force myself to stop. Can she do it? I don't know. Well, we have what we have, and it's really neat still. In fact, in spite of the fact that it might have been a little cooler earlier, I'm not complaining. I need to put a little bit of black on my edges, but that's cool. I'm going to torch. I got 2 minutes left. I could actually, I could come in here and add a few spirals. Just in places where I feel like I need to make sure that the black and the white met each other. I'm going to have to put a little bit of black. Whoa, crash. I don't want a bowl now. Please don't knock my torch down, you foolish woman. Alright, so there's black in a spot that I saw white. And fingers are my favorite tools, no matter what I say. I'm pretty good. I am going to do a little bit more paint. I definitely recommend playing with chain. I've been trying to resist because it's not everybody's favorite thing. But my days of resisting are over. So I can add a few spirals, like I said, just to blend the paint. Or I can see a little bit of canvas. Or like that. I don't think that's hurting anything, actually, at all. Pretty cool. I'm good. I'll be touching up my edges for a while. I think this is bothering me though. There we go. Now I'm better. As is that. Yes, you know what? This is cool. I think I might have mentioned that. So I am going to torch and tell you guys if you give me a thumbs up, it'd be nice and polite. And I'd appreciate it. I have a... I'm asking everybody to please share my videos because my placement that I used to get from YouTube is pretty well gone. 93% gone. And so if you share my videos, I still have a shot at being found. And on the end screens there are over there are 9 lists of hundreds each, and there are topics you can find on my channel header. You can find those on my channel. You can find those playlists. You can also find, oh yes, 2 minutes, there we go. I knew it was coming. You can find the community board, which will tell you probably what the next day's video is. You can find, what else? PayPal and Patreon if you want to be included in any given month's drawing. You can see the drawing prizes in the last 20 seconds of any video's end screens on an exhibition video that's always there. I mentioned I have a pouring mixture and I use Golden's GAC 800 in there, and it keeps my paint from cracking when it's heavy, which is particularly convenient at this exact moment, I have to say. But I have confidence that this is going to be really cool, and I'm super stoked I got to do it. I'm super stoked you guys are here and got to see it, and I appreciate you endlessly. There's 80,000 of you subscribed, even if only a few hundred are seeing this at a time. I live in hope you'll come back and check out to see what's happening from time to time, maybe every day when I post a video every day. So I do love you guys. Thank you all for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time to help keep my morale boosted in these weird times. And I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. I don't think this is the last time I'm going to do this because this was a lot of fun. And it was unexpected for me, and that's okay because I like to think of myself as a spontaneous artist. And I don't mind if I have some paint schmutz on my fingertips while I sort of blend in the edges. I'm all good. I have a few places to fix after you're gone, but not too terribly, not an awful lot. And I just want to do this right away again. I think I know what I'm going to do with another canvas that I've been waiting to deal with. So I love you guys. I said that. And check out tomorrow's videos on the community board on my channel. And please share my videos. Please, please, please. And if you would like to help me, the drawing is a $10 minimum. But the thumbs up helps. And watching the commercials might actually help again someday when I have people watching again. I notice there's still a lot of them, even though they're not benefiting me much. But they're catered to you, so if you like them, they may be helpful. What else? What else? What else? I don't want really any anomalous little feathery marks hanging out all by their onesies. But those two aren't too bad. So I'm going to call this good, and I love you guys. I'll see you soon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, hey, that was awesome. See you soon. Hopefully tomorrow. Binge on some videos, would you? Thanks. Bye now.